Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to this short clip. Discovered these buses and what I think's quite a rare tractor whilst we were out on our rounds today with work. We're told these vehicles, or certainly the buses, haven't been out of the shed for about 10 years. They used to be regulars on the rally scene, but haven't been out for a long time. Now, what's this vehicle here, this tractor? Does anybody know anything about it? So David Brown, as we can see, and the original dealership sticker there, I believe. But no idea what it does. I don't think I've ever seen one before. Have you? Do you have any memories of them, or can you tell me what it's for? Lovely original condition. So yeah, we thought we'd just share this with you, and hope you've enjoyed the video.